is all the way Blazer Shop like a reason. Right now we're live on Facebook, we're live on YouTube. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, like my pages on Facebook. Blazer Shop like a reason. Blazer Shop like a reason live streaming. Don't forget to go subscribe to official Blazer Shop like a reason on YouTube to get my my new music that is coming out. But today I am in Sauteurs St. Patrick's, which is very close to my home village, Monk Road in St. Patrick's. And I'm just here to say a few things. I just want to let all you know this. You see, it's Friday today. I don't have a permanent job. I'm not like the Imani workers and them. I mean, I work for myself, but it's not a permanent job. Where you see Shiba there? Shiba, Nevlin, say hi. She see you pass behind me back on the light. Nevlin. Yeah. Brent, we're going to pick up yourself, Brent. Yes, I don't have a permanent job, and I feel like begging today. So if each of all you on the live right now, 26 of all you send me $10. 10 by 26 is $260. Well, you go up to 32 now, so that's $330. Alright? Send me a $10 in Western Union. I have my ID card with me. I will just go and clear that money one time. That's what I want to tell you. Send some money for me, I'm broke. Today is Friday and I don't work in nowhere. I don't have a job. I don't have a payday. You ain't working nowhere. How go, you good?
Yes, I'm good.
And you see that is a nice guy. See, nice people just love me up in Sauteurs. I'm a nice guy. Hello. He don't working nowhere. He don't have a payday. You think he's so... No. So just because I beg all you going up the line. So Laura send me some money. Oh God, Karen say send me name. Watch, my name is, oh God, Young Lion say you're on it. Young Lion, I'm going on, brother, big up yourself. Listen, my name is Brendan Charlotte Joseph. Send me some money right now. Western Union open. Western Union, they ride. Let me show you. Bassa, you're in foreign already, Bassa. I know you have to travel. I know you have to go to England. Let me show you where Western Union is. I don't see you right there. I don't see you right by where that thing is. So right just so. That way Western Union. Send me some money, yo. So you're creeping up behind my back? You trying to collide with me? You trying to bounce me or something? Anyways, are they begging on the live order? Come. You don't have a payday. You trying to collide with me? That would have been a collision, Are they live? And I'm minding my business. I'll go. Yeah. I don't walk in no way. Hold on, I'm making nice in Sauteurs. I don't have a payday. You think I cannot send my name? Let me spell out my name for you. It is spelled Brendon Shalon Joseph. That is my name. Send me $10 in Western Union, and if you're smart, send 20. Today is Friday. I don't have a payday. You think it's so? No. The thing does work. You buy. What is the song again? Friday evening, people passing with a box of barbecue chicken. And she watching you with your shoe. Somebody go on you. Hey, somebody go. I want to have money on a Friday and I don't work in no. I don't send her money for me no man. I don't send her money. I can't inbox you while it's alive. You don't know that. While I'm live, I cannot inbox you. You have to understand. You have to take it on the live. Let everybody see that I'm getting that money on the live. Send the reference number on the live. Let everybody see. Hey boy. I don't have a... Wait, Brent, you gone? Brent, I don't have a payday. You don't walk in no way. What's the song going? You think it's so... think that's love. Hey, she watching you in your shoe. I want to beat you. Smell kalalu and bad rice. She feeling for some hot rice, boy. Somebody go on me. You better believe it. And all you find again post and losing my voice. Yeah, I had a wicked cold. And I find I'm losing my voice. Hey! Kelisha want to work, y'all. Today's begging Fridays. Today's begging Fridays. Today's BF. Begging Fridays. Brent, I will check my WhatsApp just now. I can't check my WhatsApp while I'm live. But big up yourself, brother. You don't know. More music coming soon. Hey, she said with the $5 I give you. You like spend that already? Yeah. You know much for a bus? From Tongue to Grenville? $6. That $5 in. That what watch. Laura send her money for me and stop that. Mind drink water and mind you with this. Let me drink my beer and talk my shit in this. Ha! He don't walk in nowhere. He don't have no payday. You think he's so? Today's begging Friday. Laura, somebody that give me that beer, my cousin that give me that beer, that man, the man that was him. Alright, Brent, hold on. So I'll wait. I'll wait, eh? So Brent told me to check my WhatsApp. I need to check my WhatsApp and come back on the live real quick. So Brent, I'm gonna check it. Although don't go now. I'm gonna check my WhatsApp and come back on the live real quick. Although stick around. Terrence, yes, I'm gonna need to revamp bed soon as I reach back up. So I'll stick around. I'm gonna check my WhatsApp and come back. Alright, Brent, I see it. Big up yourself, Brent. Big up, I see it, Brent. I'm gonna go there just now. But watch me. My voice, all here I'm going at it. I believe I catch coronavirus from Carriacou. Let me get you the history. So, the week before I went to Carriacou, right? I had, the weekend before that, I had a birthday party for my brothers. The second one and the last one, we did a birthday party. And you know, I stayed up till the whole night. Kelisha, I will check you, don't worry, Kelisha, I will check you. And when I check, Kelisha, when I check you, you don't have to give me no $5 again. You just have to pay me in full. And I don't want check, I want cash. Because I don't want no money going on no bank account. I are big spenders. Marlene, what's going on? Big up yourself, Marlene. Watch me. Kelisha, I the only worker that want money in cash. I don't can pay me on no check. Because I don't have no bank account. I don't want nothing. I want my money in my hand. If I can't get me money, I don't want the work. Brent, big up yourself, Brent. I see the blessing. Big up. Who else? I don't come send me a 10 now. A 10, just a 10. Just a $10 all you can send for me. Today Friday, today's begging Friday. How regular doesn't beg so much. Laura, send me something now. Laura! I don't big up all your own self, eh? You know, today's Friday. Well, all you know is I entertain. I entertain. I am blazer sharpened like a reason. Hey, Kelisha, I tell you, I want my money in my hand. I come in for the interview. You working tomorrow? I come in for the interview tomorrow. I starting work Monday, just so. Quick. Just like that. Motherfucker coming to work Monday. Just tell me where you position me and what you want me to do and the work is done. I don't want no long talk in the interview room. Not no long talking. Just I come in for the interview tomorrow. I starting work Monday. I don't wait for you to call back. I just come in. You understand? Don't call me. I just come in to work Monday, please, Lord. And it's that. I don't have a payday. I don't walk in nowhere. You think it's so. How the song going again? I forgot how the song going. How the actual song going? If you all know the actual song, send me the words. Let me sing it for you. It goes like this. How you going again? How you going? Young fella approach me. Some young man approach me. He asked me for advice. You walking? No. You joking? No. You stealing? No. You dealing? What you doing? Hey, I'm looking for hand. I'm looking for hand, boy. I'm looking for hand. I'm going to get hand, boy. Why you want to marry? You don't have no money. What? Hilary, I don't have a penny. I don't walk in nowhere. Oh, got it. Hello. You must say I don't love my life. Kelisha, watch. You just come in Monday. Well, you use the bus. So I mean, I come in to work Monday. I come in to work Monday. I just come in to work. I come in on the interview tomorrow and you hire me one time. And Monday morning, bright and early, good uniform, well pressed. You know what I mean? And I come in to work nicely. He's a good fella. I just like shoppiness. All you are looking for brand new, big spenders. Big up yourself. Big up brand new, big up your whole self. Big spenders, we say. Karikou Carnival was bad brand new, I tell you. Yeah, let's start, but I'm looking for a real hand. Because I don't want to pay it. Yeah? How this song going again, a young fella? What you say? How this song going again? I forgot this song. But I'm looking, that's the pattern I can remember. You're looking for hand, boy. You're looking for hand. But all you one of them I was with, they hand me. Because I didn't have to walk there, I didn't walk in nowhere. I don't have to pay it. You have to pay it?
Yes, you see with grand case we are paying.
Me I no, I don't put you on the right. No, you don't dare do right. I'm here, yeah. I won't put you on. Watch me. I don't have nothing, I just have a lime in clothes. I don't want to pay it. Where walking? I don't walk in nowhere. I don't have a payday. Why you want to marry? You don't walk in nowhere. I don't have no payday. You think it's so, Lester, you think it's so? Nia Joseph, big up yourself. But Karikou Carnival was the bomb. All the money I made, I spent all in Karikou. Right now I'm begging. Eh? Big spenders. Hello. Putting all jokes aside, I was walking, I'm happy. But I could beg too. Sometimes I could be, watch me, you're good looking vagrant too. Your vagrant that does look real nice. Your vagrant that does look nice. You never see a good looking vagrant yet. A good looking vagrant. I could say what you saw me, but I won't say that. Hey! Hold on. Watch. You're good looking vagrant, especially I will tell you who's a good looking vagrant. I will see them insurance man and them is good looking vagrant. Because they begging. They begging you to buy insurance and things, you know what I mean? Good looking vagrant, but they have a payday. But me no. I have a payday. I don't walk in nowhere. You think it's go in the land. Yeah. Daddy name I seen on Facebook. If daddy name I seen on Facebook, let's say daddy name I go call her. Alright, dancer boy, big up yourself, Dancer, big up yourself, dancer. Dancer, you have your government name on Facebook. How you feel I will call you? Hey, dancer? Eh? You have your government name. Your government given name. Eh? You lean back in seat. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, let me take out a hat. Let me see, let me look. Hey, you lean back. Eh, watch it. You lean back in carrying profile picture. Eh? You lean back there. Eh? You lean back. Dancer don't have a payday. Dancer don't walk in nowhere. Dancer, you think it's so. Hey, when the long time I don't see you, girl. When do you good? Age is not to see you. But today is BF, begging Fridays. Oh God! What? If I say I don't like me, I lie. If it's one person in the world I like, eh? If it's one person, yeah, I could have found. If it's one person in the world I like, it's me. No? Eh? Web! Big up your big belly self, me father. Watch me. If it's one person in the world I like, it's me. But I like myself bad. You know how bad you like yourself?
Bad. Already for you.
But I like myself. You don't see how I'm nice? Huh? You don't see me? Teacher and son are nice, I like me. How I go stop? I can't stop. The only how I stop is when I did it. But I like myself. I love myself. They say people doesn't. Watch me. If I could do it, I repeat again. If again, Karikou Carnival. Karikou having carnival in August, and they having carnival in June and August. Because P.T. Matnick now. P.T. Matnick. Hold on. P.T. Matnick carnival is in June. And Regatta But Petit Martin Regatta is in June. And whatever the case is, Carriacou having regatta in August and I'm going back up. I'm going back up there. He don't have been paid. You think it's so? Watch coconut water selling right here. Watch that. Coconut water selling. Devon, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Devon. Yes. Begging for friends. No. I'm not begging for friends. Begging for friends is prohibited when it comes to me. I is my own friend. So any other friend is a plus. I love me so much. I don't need friends like that, you know. But today's BF, begging Fridays. But all the big up all yourself. All you know how the thing go. I love all you. And I love all of all. Big up all of all the whole self. Anyways, I just want all to send me a little 10. Nobody don't send me a 10. Yeah, Devon, I know you are the big up yourself, Devon. I know you're out in Brooklyn right now and you're going hard. Big up yourself. But yo, today's begging Fridays. I'm out here begging in the streets of Sauteurs. What are begging? Why the all of them in mind run on you? I say, where you there? Where you come out? When you come back? So you could lie. In truth? Alright, go take your time. Yes, when we are getting ready. When they are ready for carnival long, you don't have yam, the yam done. You don't have yam to do. You don't have yam to do. Yam sell out there. Oh yo! Yam sell out. Oh God, Nikisha, big up yourself. Today's begging Fridays. Are they on the ends begging? I is a well-dressed vagrant. And anybody want to join the vagrant society, I'm taking names. Why? Anybody want to join the vagrant society, I'm taking names. I am taking names for people who want to join the vagrant society. Good day, sir. You want to join the vagrant society? Give me your name. Give me your name. I will contact you when we're doing initiation. Initiating the vagrants. I don't like things. I don't like things. Wendy, as a man, I always ready for mass. You know what I mean? Mass is a thing I always ready for. I mean, you see what happened in Carriacou for me was a plus because I was going to Carriacou just to have a chill weekend, right? And to do a show. But the parliamentary representative, if that is the word, the parliamentary tree, that is the word. Why is the word? The parliamentary representative. Hey, wow. The parliamentary representative said that we would have the bank holiday. So once you get a bank holiday, you know it's mass. So on my way, the bank holiday was just a plus. So I just end up in the mass. Yeah, drinking, I think, man. Today's Friday, what we gonna do? What you gonna do? What's going on? Sue, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Sue. Sue, I'm out here. Today's begging Friday, Sue. Western Union, they just down the road this. Watch. Righty. See righty? With that, watch me. You see that building right here, that kind of oldish building there? That kind of antique building, right here, so? Righty? Yeah? That way Western Union, send me a money. Hey, Renisha, big up yourself. Today's Friday, and I don't have a payday, so today is BF. Today is BF. Today is begging Fridays. Give me a 10, boy. Nah, don't going up yet. I want that 10 first. Today's begging Fridays. I'm a well-dressed vagrant. I'm a well-dressed vagrant. I'm begging. I'm a well-dressed. No, man. We don't say you're drunk. Sometimes you need a hot you. You need hot you. Huh? Hey. Yes. I am taking names. I am taking names. Anybody want to join the well-dressed vagrant society? I am taking names. Hey. Hello, you want to join the vagrant society? I am taking names. Well-dressed. We don't have paydays. We only have begging days and today's Fridays. Today's begging Fridays.
I explained to you already.
Oh, come on,
When you're ready, just
come
check.
down.
Look it right.
Today's begging Fridays. Hey. Wow. Well-dressed vagrant. Very good. Come. Well-dressed vagrant. Easy. Yes, I. Well-dressed vagrant. Royalty. Royalty. I'll go. Tell him hi. Say hi. Say you like me with a vagrant today, a well-dressed one. Yeah? Say that is my well-dressed vagrant godfather. Where you going? Where you going, Lime? So anyways, pick up on yourself and we're outside. Yes. We have MoneyGram as well, but Western Union is closer to me right now. Anyways, I'll big up on yourself. Entertainment at its best. Big up on yourself. I love all you. We're inside of the, oh God, Johnny say what? We get a member. We have a member on the live. He say he wants to join the Vagrant Society. So listen, I will let me explain to you how we does it. All right? So you will stand up on one corner, and I will stand up on the other corner, and we will beg until we get money. But we have to be well dressed. Oh God. So you're hired. Just inbox me. Just inbox me your information, and I will sign you up, put you up to the page, and assign you your collection account. And if I say I don't like me, if I say I don't like my own self, I can let the breeze myself. I love myself. And you love yourself, nobody will love you the way you would love yourself. I love myself. Eh? I love myself. Go and buy some.
How many?
Want you some? I love myself. So we have two persons here. We open beer for me. Drink that. I will open me beer. I go drink. I don't want that. What big up all the vagrant and I'm in the Vagrant Society. Hey, what going on? We just having fun. That life. We not dead yet. When I die, watch me. When I die, I don't can't see me doing them shopping this and also. I don't can't see me doing them shopping this. Oh, that you mean? Yeah. Okay. What go you good? Yeah. You want to be a part of the Vagrant Society? No. You know? No. I said no. Enough. So you know what I'm well dressed vagrant? I say you want to be a part of the Vagrant Society. I know what I thought you wanted to be a part of the society, but you don't want to be a part. You say no. Say no. No. But nothing wrong being a vagrant. You had 3 types of vagrant. Yes. You had the well-dressed vagrant. That's right. You had the real vagrant on them. That don't stay nowhere. And then you had the high vagrants on them, like the Prime Minister on them. Because they just beg too. Everybody just beg. They're weird, man. Everybody just beg. Watch me. When you beg a woman for some money, do you beg? Is that vagrant? And ladies, when you beg a man for some, you beg, is that vagrant? You're a well-dressed vagrant. That's why I call a well-dressed vagrant. I surely didn't see it like that. I don't never saw it, so. But you're a well-dressed. Hello? You want to be a part of the Vagrant Society? Yeah, take it out the rest of the day. I'm coming. You hear that? Well dressed. Whoa. Right, take your time. Yeah, take your time. Well dressed. Yeah, but I am vagrant. I don't go in no garbage. I put it. But I don't go in no garage. I put it in the garage. Well dressed. All the big up on yourself. I love all about. I got to go. Have a blessed day. Big up all yourself. Hello, you want to join the Vagrant Society? Nah. They don't want to join the Vagrant Society, no. I need to put up the website. I will share the website on my Facebook page. So if you all want to be a part of the well-dressed. Let me stop my shoe, please. Let me stop my shoe before somebody really feel like it's a well-dressed vagrant. But all you have a lot of. Let me explain to you what is a well-dressed vagrant. A well-dressed vagrant is a young person who sits on the block all day and they don't want to look at work, you know, and everybody that comes, they want to beg them for $1 to buy a cigarette or, you know what I mean? But anyways, all big up all yourself. I love all your please, I shop like a reason. This was very entertaining, I know it was, because I catch myself even laughing what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? So big up all yourself, and also here I want to now, don't forget to like my Facebook pages. It's Jesus Christ, fix it. Let me tell you, my Facebook, my pages, it's Blazer Shop and Like a Razor live streaming. Or you could go like and follow that page right now. And it's Blazer Shop and Like a Razor. Go like and follow that page right now. Also, go on YouTube and you can subscribe to official Blazer Shop and Like a Razor. And I mean, big up all yourself, just subscribe, just go and subscribe for new music. And you see that same live here, I posted it on YouTube, so just go on it. Boom. Big up all yourself. Love all you. Blazer Shop and Like a Razor. I'm out. And also don't forget, well-dressed Vagrant Society.